Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Shaman J. So February security patch, new screen protector, new case. How's the Pixel 6 doing? So the other day I showed you some videos from Zetaza with their tempered glass and this film protector. Now I decided after some testing to just go straight back to one of the film protectors because it works a lot better than the tempered glass that they sent over. Tempered glass was just like not even having a fingerprint registered. So I decided to keep it this way and just put the film protector back on. And this is another one of their cases as well. Pretty nice setup. I really like it. And so far, the Pixel has been doing fantastic for what it is. The only problem I guess I've ever had with this device was the fingerprint reader. Because all the major issues, they were early on for me after about having it for 3 weeks or so, or a month, I'm not sure. But those have been resolved, and Google has been keeping up the device. And I was using my 5A today. And I said, man, I gotta check the Pixel 6 screen protector. And I went back to it, and I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and just take that glass protector off and go back to the film protector because the film protector obviously it will not have the impact of a glass screen protector, but the point is you want to have some protection on your device if you want to keep it in pristine condition. And this is just an option for you. Some people don't use screen protectors at all. They just use their devices as is, no case, no nothing. And sometimes I'll do it like that, but I just happen to really like this case right here. And I showed it to you before in another video. Like I said, there's links. I'll leave links to this screen protector and this case down below in this video. I guess that's what I'll do. But overall, this phone has been performing extremely well. As you can see here, not really hesitant on the fingerprint reader again. I'm sure with the security patches that they've done and all the updates, you're going to have a better feel of your Pixel at this point in the game. They've been updating the phone every month, and it's been pretty good. So again, I wasn't one of those people who had major problems, but I did have some problems with the fingerprint reader. So phone updates don't take long. If the phone is running good, and there's no problems with it, I really like it. Now, one thing I do like about this device is I can connect to my 6G network. Let me see if I'm already on it. No, I'm connected to another one. Let me go ahead and connect to my 6G because this phone has the ability to connect to Wi-Fi 6E, and I have a Wi-Fi 6E setup now. So if I go into the speed test and test this out, you'll see that I'm getting pretty much close to what I'm paying for. Sometimes I do get it. I'm paying for 940 up and down. And with Wi-Fi 6E, I can pretty much log in and get this anywhere in my house just about. I think the lowest speeds when I'm on Wi-Fi 6E in the house is maybe 500 to 600 because I have a mesh system. I have the new Netgear mesh system, the Orbi, the quad band Wi-Fi 6E mesh system, and these are just tremendous speeds for this device because there's not a lot of devices out there that have Wi-Fi 6E capabilities. So even the phone I'm recording with, the iPhone 13 Pro Max, doesn't have Wi-Fi 6E. I'm told that's because of a production thing, like it was already in mass production beforehand, so they couldn't really get it out there. But this has been one of the huge pluses to having the Pixel 6e in full rotation is the internet speeds. I get pretty much almost exactly what I'm paying for when it comes to using the services here at my house. So, other than that, folks, this is a real brief. I don't have any problems with this phone at all. I had posted it for sale, and then I thought, maybe I'll take it down. But I just left it, and I said, I'll just start using it again because it's such a good device. And I only paid $599 for it. Actually, I didn't pay anything for it because I had I think I paid $400 for it because I had a trade-in. But nonetheless, if you're looking for still. We can't. I know the S21 FE is out now, and then the S22 is out. There's a lot to like about this device still because it still undercuts them in a lot of ways. Now, some people are still harping on the fact that they have some issues, or even if their issues are resolved, I've seen a lot of people saying I don't have any problems anymore, but I'm still going to get rid of this device. Totally up to you. I understand. I might even sell this device. But I'm not sure yet because I got it for such a good price. I think I sold I traded an old LG phone to Google and they gave me $120, and I got it with the headphones. I think I got everything for $4 something. So this is such a great device though. When I go back to it full throttle, I'm like, a lot of me wants to order the small S22 because I do like powerful compact devices, but I have to have that Ultra because I love the Galaxy Note. So I might just buy the other one too, buy the S22 as well. That's what I've really been contemplating, getting me a white version of that because I really like it a lot. I like the size of it because I do have a dummy unit. I don't know where my dummy unit is. Yeah, here's a small. I think this is right here. I have this dummy unit, and I started looking at the size, and I thought, man, this is a perfect size. It has a 6.1 inch display, and it's a really good size. It's a nice size, and it's a powerful phone more than likely because it has the specs. And I mean, I like the design of this. It's compact. Having a compact phone is just one of the biggest things. A powerful compact phone is what I've always wanted. So nonetheless, I want to give you a brief update on here. You know, I went back to this screen protector, no problems whatsoever with touch sensitivity. Now I do have the touch sensitivity increased, and the way you do that is you go into the display and scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see here improves touch when using screen protectors. You can turn that off and you still should get pretty good response on your fingerprint reader. Yeah, I just leave it on just in case for all the flip-flopping I've been doing with screen protectors. I just leave it on. But other than that, folks, no problems whatsoever. This phone is absolutely great. I don't know why a person would not like this phone at this point, unless you're still getting units out there that are performing pretty poorly when it comes to the software. I think there are a few people that are still saying there's bugs and things like that, but I just haven't experienced anything, and so I'm happy to share an update with you. February update, new screen protector, new case. What do you guys think about this one? I'll see you in the next video. Take care.